Wanna know how to fix your Reolink app password not showing while opening? So app password should show something like this right here. So in this video, I'm going to help you fix it in some ways. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now first things first, simply open up your Reolink application and make sure that your password is enabled. On the bottom right side, you should be seeing this Me account right here, this is undistracted, and head towards settings right here. That's really right below user feedback. Now once you've selected settings, here you should be seeing app password right here. So make sure it is enabled. If it's not, it should be looking like this, the blue icon. So if it's not, make sure to enable it. Now next things, it might be a problem with some cache of yours. So just need to hit back and hit towards your app settings. And once you click your app settings on the bottom right side, you should be seeing clear data right here. Just simply select it, select clear cache, and then select OK. Now you can just simply restart your Reolink application and the settings or the problems should be fixed and you should be good to go. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helps. See you in the next one.